अरे घर आके बोल दे कि भाई वो ऐसा ऐसे किया है, उनके खिलाफ राष्ट्रद्रोही मामला।
Coming in right now, viewers, Nishikant Dubey of the BJP has moved a resolution to extend the time period of the JPC over Waqf Amendment Bill. Now, tomorrow in the House, motion will be moved to extend the time period of the JPC. Viewers, that's the big update we are getting in right now. A BJP MP Nishikant Dubey moving a resolution. Remember, Parliamentary Committee on Waqf Bill has met on 26th of November, and even the opposition walked out. Opposition MPs walked out of the JPC, citing unheard stakeholders and the rushed draft report. Harsha, my colleague, getting us those details. Harsha, tell us more details. Nishikant Dubey of the BJP wanting more time.
Yes, now Rakshita, the latest update we are getting in is that a resolution unanimously has been accepted in the JPC, where it says that in the House the motion will be moved to extend the time period of the JPC, to which unanimously all the members have accepted, and in a day or two the resolution will be moved in the House and final decision will come from the House. The chairman has accepted the demands that several stakeholders, including the Delhi minister and the other stakeholders, want to participate here in the JPC to give their presentation on the Waqf Amendment Bill. Keeping in mind all those things, it has been accepted. Now the motion to extend the time period will be moved in the Parliament tomorrow in the House, and then we will see whether it is to be to the next budget session. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Harsha, for joining us. With those details coming in, viewers, we'll shift our focus to some more updates coming in. What really happened in the winter session that's underway? The Union Information and Broadcasting Minister, viewers, that is Ashwini Vaishnav, emphasized today in the House the need for stricter laws to curb vulgar content on social media, citing the cultural differences between India and the countries where these platforms have originated. And he was speaking on this issue. He urged the Standing Committee of Parliament to, in fact, address the matter and work towards creating stringent regulations to combat the inappropriate online content. Take a listen into what exactly Ashwini Vaishnav said.
Geography से जिन countries से social media के ये platforms निकले हैं, वहाँ की sensitivity और अपने देश की sensitivity में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है, और ये इस तरह का debate आज दुनिया के करीब हर देश में, इसीलिए मेरा निवेदन है माननीय अध्यक्ष जी कि जो अपनी पार्लियामेंट की स्टैंडिंग कमेटी है वो भी इस विषय को उठाए और इस विषय पे समाज में कंसेंसस हो और इसमें और कड़े कानून बने। ज्योग्राफी से जिन कंट्रीज से सोशल मीडिया के ये प्लेटफॉर्म्स निकले हैं, वहाँ की सेंसिटिविटी और अपने देश की सेंसिटिविटी में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है, और ये इस तरह का डिबेट आज दुनिया के करीब हर देश में, इसीलिए मेरा निवेदन है माननीय अध्यक्ष जी कि जो अपनी पार्लियामेंट की स्टैंडिंग कमेटी है वो भी इस विषय को उठाए और इस विषय पे समाज में कंसेंसस हो और इसमें और कड़े कानून बने।
All right, viewers, now we shift our focus to the Adani indictment row, and what we know is that Adani has now refused the bribery charges